Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can remove Mastercard from your Apple ID. If you added your Mastercard to your Apple ID and now you need to change or delete your Apple ID, so how can you do it? I'll show you very easily how you can do it. So for this, first go to settings from your iPhone. Then you will see here iTunes and App Store. Tap on it. Then what you have to do is just select view Apple ID. Now after tap on this, you will see here payment information. Just tap on it, and here you will see your added payment method here in Visa card, Mastercard, or American Express card. Just tap on your card and you will see an option delete or remove. Just tap on it and it will be removed from your Apple ID. And that's it. That's how you can remove your Mastercard from your Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.